All right, welcome. So today we're going to talk about angles and their measure. Okay, so let's start just by sort of describing angles. So let me write the coordinate system. Okay, so angles basically tell you what direction you're going, right? What direction. Okay, so we consider this direction to be 0 degrees. This direction is 90 degrees. This direction is 180 degrees. This direction is 270 degrees. Okay, you just take the 180 plus 190. Okay, and you could also, for example, take this as negative 90 degrees. So this is also negative 90 degrees. This is also 360 degrees. And you could keep going around. So you could also say, like, this is 450 degrees. You take 360 plus 90. 180 is what? 450 plus another 90, 540 degrees. And you could just keep going forever like that, right? Okay. You could even go the negative direction. So this is also negative 180 degrees and so on. Okay, there's not really that much to it. Okay. We also can describe these using what are called radians. So this is in degrees. Okay, but we also have what's called radians. Okay, and radians actually, even though we are more used to degrees, at least you are more used to degrees when you come into this class, radians is actually a more natural use of measure. And the reason is because the radians, if you think about it, okay, so the area of a circle is pi r squared, right? And that formula sort of directly translates into this idea of radians. Okay, so and we'll talk about that a little more later. But right now, so let's just say what the radians are. This is again 0 radians, but it's also 2 pi radians. Okay, just like 0 was 360 degrees, 2 pi is one full way around the circle. Okay. So 360 degrees or 2 pi radians. Okay, that's one full rotation. Now, 1/4, which is up here, of 2 pi is pi over 2. Okay, 1/2 of 2 pi is just pi. Okay, and then this one is just going to be 3 pi over 2. Okay, so these are the radian measures. Okay. So one thing that we can use to remember to convert is 180 degrees converts to pi radians. That's just saying that 360 degrees converts to 2 pi radians, dividing that by 2, right? Okay, let's start doing some problems. Number 10, draw the angle 150 degrees. Okay, so we're going to draw 150 degrees. So I know that 150 degrees should be more than 90, less than 180. So this is my 9. Oh. Okay, knowing this is my 90 degrees, this is my 180 degrees, I know that it should be between them, probably closer to the 180, right? Because it's 30 away from 180, 60. So it's like, like there. Okay, so this is my 150 degrees. Okay. Next one, number 16. We're going to draw negative 13 pi over 4. Man, immediately went to this one. That escalated quickly, as the kids say these days. Okay, so let's draw this. Let me draw it over here. This is which one? Number 16. Now here, the problem is that negative 13 pi over 4, that's like, oh my gosh, that's crazy, right? So let's actually, what I'm going to do is I'm going to see what it is. I'm first going to sort of mod out the fact that 2 pi is one way around, okay? So I'm going to say negative 13 pi over 4 equals, so I'm going to say, okay, that's negative 12 pi over 4 minus pi over 4. Okay, now the negative 12 pi over 4, that's negative 3 pi. Okay, so now we're going to go around, not 3 times. Remember, 2 pi is a full way around. So pi is halfway around the circle. Furthermore, the negative, although it doesn't really matter in this case, but the negative tells us that we're going clockwise instead of counterclockwise. That's an important thing to think about. In math and physics, when you're thinking about rotations, positive is counterclockwise rotation. Positive is counterclockwise. So we're going to go half, full, 3 halfways around. So we're starting from here, and then we're going to go negative pi over 4. Now, pi over 4 is halfway between pi 0 and pi over 2. So this one's going to go like so. Okay, I don't even need to convert it. I could convert it if I wanted to, but I don't need to convert it. I'm just going to go, like I said, 1, 2, 3 halves, and then pi over 2, remember, would be 1/4. So we're going to go half of that to here. Okay? All right, I'll see you all in the next video.